One pro-Wike group for Awoda West local government area of Rivers State don't stage one peaceful we no go gree to demand say make police remain for all the local government secretariat as ordered by the Inspector General of Police. Leader of the protesters and the immediate past chairman of the council, Hope Ikiriku, tok say the group them dey satisfied with the decision of the Inspector General of Police. E still talk say them go wait jejely until the court rule on the matter. E call on the group say make them not take laws into their hands even if them provoke them.
And I urge you to remain patient. When the law speaks, the streets will remain calm. This is not the time to take laws into your hand. I want to use this opportunity to thank the leadership of PDP, the leadership of the police. What they have done this time around, they have shown true professionalism. Everywhere is calm. All the rantings of the underdogs, they are calm because the police has taken charge. We have confirmed today. We have been to the council and we have seen that the council under lock and key and the policemen are well mobilized. And so we thank the president and thank the IGP. The state is under control. The government in the country will not allow any intimidation. So as you go home, go about your normal business and allow the court to decide. You have seen what has happened. Everything about local government is about what they will get and distribute to the people. There are projects on ground. They have refused to pay, to attend to the projects. They have given them directives. Otherwise, why coming to breaking into the council when he could still give that directive that they can stay anywhere to administer the council? But let me tell you, as long as the law is concerned, the caretaker committee is illegal. And so I want all of you to stand firm. It might be slow, it might be delayed, but even if justice is delayed, it cannot be denied.
The way that the Inspector General of Police has given directive that police should mount the councils pending the court judgment. So please, we don't need to overeat the politics. We need to be law-abiding, and we need to allow the judiciary to finish their job so that we too can return back to our various offices. Please, I want everybody at this point to return back peacefully without violence. I know it's peaceful, but nevertheless, let's return back so that others will not hijack the protest.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.